Llama, 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 llama.
Okay. His paws, adorable. His ears, adorable. His tail, adorable. His face, adorable. His intelligence, okay.
¿Quieres salchicha? Di salchicha. 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 ¿Quieres? ¿Sí o no? Vale, vale, salchicha. They said you look like Paw Patrol. How you feel?
I still really like Paw Patrol. Like,
You don't look bad. You look cute. Don't let them fool you. You don't get mad at me. You look cute.
I'm a puppy. Cute, lovable, cuddly. I enjoy when you rub my tummy. I love treats.
Look at me when I say this. No swimming. Do you understand? No pool. Loki, are you listening? If you go in that pool, so help me Jesus. No swimming. Go potties. No. Loki, I said no. I said no swimming. No. Closet, no. I said you are a bad girl. Bad girl.
Found a stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it. I hit so much stuff, do not get into my way, cause I found a stick and I'm using
That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. He No, not in a million years. You get that thing away from me right now. They're nice. They're not. I don't care. I don't care if they're flipping nice. That guy looks like he means business.
Mommy,
What?
I want to talk to you about something.
What is it?
I don't think you feed me enough.
Is your dog super cute and they know it too? Give you puppy dog eyes when they want something from you. But you know when you're down, they can turn it all around. Is your dog super?
Oh, thank you. Okay, wait.
Hey, Domina. You're adopted.
You guys, I've heard the sex noises, I've seen the drama and the tears, and there's no way.
This one's from me. This one's from your TikTok fans. This one's from the dog catcher.
Things that work for our dog. Patrick is a notorious messy drinker in our house. I bought this meter feeder off of Amazon to help with that. When you take out both bowls and you take out the raised sides, you'll notice the water actually flows through the grates and into the bottom, catching it. This coconut oil I got from Costco. I give half a tablespoon every day to help with digestion. This fish oil is also from Costco. I give 2 at every meal and it helps with his allergies, joint, heart, and coat and skin. Patrick has a lot of allergies, so it really helps with that. I use this shampoo to kill the bacteria off of Patrick's skin every 2 weeks. Then I followed up with Mod as a hypoallergenic shampoo. Patrick doesn't like getting his teeth cleaned, but I love this set from PetSmart. I follow it up with paw cleaner that I got off Amazon. Everything inside is super soft, and Patrick actually doesn't mind it. It also comes with a detachable brush that you can use for his fur.
Does anyone else's baby look totally different now than when they were a newborn? This is my baby as a newborn. This was my baby at 3 months. My baby at 6 months. This is my baby now. Who the heck was the first baby?
When you bring your guard dog into public during a pandemic and everybody is wearing masks and bandanas over their face, she is literally shaking, y'all.
What, are you bored? It says 15 minutes it has to stay on, okay? We're at 5. I think you'll survive.
Babe, I need to tell you something. I'm not your real mom. Well, I'm just kidding. I gave birth to you.
Petey, I know what the problem is. In the morning, in the morning I put eggies on your breakfast. But at nighttime, I don't do that. The problem is you slept. Admit it, you slept almost the whole day. So now you're confused because you think it's breakfast. But it's not, Petey. Dinner.
My baby.
You're what?
I'm mommy baby.
You're my baby?
Yes. And I'm fucking cute.
Grizzly, I feel like you could have been nicer to me today. But you weren't exactly, kind. You're rude. You were rude all day. Yes, you were. And you're still being mean. We'll try again tomorrow, I guess. You look so cute. You look so pretty. Oh my god. Oh, you sweet. Oh.
You are. Come on, show TikTok this drip. Look at the drip, y'all. That baby drip. Yo, look back at the camera, my little
Say good boy. Good boy, yeah. Say, oh wow. Say, oh yeah. There you go.
What people don't tell you about mastiffs? They're secretly little alligator piranhas. Their teeth are really sharp. And that jaw force, oh my god. They'll love you like a fat girl loves cake. Ain't that right, my little Fabio? Their feelings get hurt really easy. Mama don't like to spank that butt, but you can't eat the kitty. No, you can't. They're kind of like a grown man. They eat, shit, and sleep. Do you take after daddy? Yes, you do. You take after daddy. They are very loyal. They'll be more loyal than your boyfriend. Mr. Steal Your Girl. Their tail should be classified as a deadly weapon. It's like being nightsticked by the man. And when they pee and defecate, oh my god, they pee and defecate like a grown-ass man. Don't you, baby? He may look really innocent, but he's fucked a lot of shit up already. Hashtag mastiff, mama.
Leave it. Leave it.